Welcome back to another episode of San Antonio Home Insider. I am at a very new location out here in the Marion area. And again, Marion is situated on the outskirts of San Antonio. Easy access to I-10 and easy access to I-35. The Coolidge, it's 2-story, 2,029 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a loft. It's a beautiful price for a beautiful home. Let's go check this out. Now check out this home. This home has the feel of a cottage, like a cottage home you would see somewhere in a country. Look how nice, when you come in, it's open, comes into the breakfast area or the dining area, if you want to call it that. So let's talk about the Feng Shui. I think I'm pronouncing it correct now, I say it all the time. Feng Shui, which is the flow of energy. Now the flow of energy on this one is facing that way, but there's a top landing that faces this way. So technically for you Feng Shui lovers out there, not a problem because the flow is not coming directly out, it's coming to the side. So let's check out this house.